What's good? It's H back from another 12 Hub TV video, and we are gonna look at a shoe that just released. It's a newer model of a classic Air Jordan, the Air Jordan 1 Mid, Bred or Banned, whichever one you want to call it, Retro 2020. Let's go. So yeah, first getting into the studio setup, got a TV finally to throw stuff in the background, graphics and what have you. Got the classic Air Jordan commercial playing in the background for the banned Air Jordan. But getting into the shoe real quick. This puppy is a retro that I guess I got lucky on. They gave me exclusive access. I don't get exclusive access to nothing anymore. I used to get the good stuff, like the Jordan. I just mainly get Jordans now. I don't get dunks. Certain people get dunks, and I always get exclusive access to Jordans, and I usually double up and just resell them. Like, you know, I got like Flint 13s, the Concord Bred lows, things like that. I always get those in restocks. I got the metallic purple metallics. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of shoes that I keep getting, like from Jordan Brown or what have you, that retro once and then I get exclusive access later or beforehand, whatever. And this was just happened to be one I haven't hit in a long time. This was on their regular GR site for Nike, $115. Nothing crazy. It's just a simple general release. It's got the Jordan 1 low and mid box, which is a little, actually I like this box more than some of the other Jordan boxes because it's simple, but it has like a nice gold print Jumpman there, big one on the top and the 23 on the side. Simple black, nice cardboard, what have you. Got my size 12, so it definitely takes cues from the original band one, the Bred one, but of course it's a little bit lower when it comes to the heights. And you know how it's sliding. Throw that box off. I'm just gonna keep these here for a sec. But you know how we do with the Jordans, you know, like I still have not rocked any Jordans yet, so this will be long line of them. I got rid of all my other Jordans pretty much that I thought about wearing, so I'm not gonna dwell on those too much. I'll miss them and I could always get them back. I even my Chateau Maison, they're gone. But the money's better. Anyway, this joint right here is actually kind of cool. Going into it, it is the classic red, and the only difference here is I believe this part was black on the OG, but on the mid they made it red, which actually kind of pops. I like the way it looks on this shoe. The materials on this are pretty good for a mid. Not mad at it. The leather on the toe box is soft. All around here it's a little firmer in the back here, but that's good. The heel support's nice red here. Classic Air Jordan 1 sole and black laces, no extra laces in the box or anything. Got a little wax on them too, it looks like. So both shoes are pretty much the same as you can see. I like the fact that they come laced up, unlike the Jordan 1 highs. And yeah, we did the mid comparison a while back between the smoke gray versions of each of the mid and the high, and yeah, there is a difference. Aesthetic, I mean, like looking at it aesthetically, it's similar, but there is definitely a difference. I don't think only a Jordan enthusiast could tell the difference, but otherwise, this is a dope shoe. Like, I you know, people are very, very, very keen on this colorway because it hasn't retroed that much. It's retroed one time in 2011 and then 2016 again, and then it hasn't shown up for a while. And those shoes, the 2011 and the 2016, go from anywhere from $350 to sky's the limit. And the 2011 is going for a lot more than the 2016 version. And this mid will be no different. I don't know if they're gonna, this might be a cue for them that they're gonna re-release this at some point, but who knows. And the story behind this is crazy. So when Nike first signed Jordan to a contract, they wanted to come out, roll out his signature shoe special. He didn't wear this in the beginning. He wore the Airship, I think. So that shoe looks sort of like this, but it's kind of like a bulkier version of an Air Jordan High. It just looks like crap, to be honest with you. And they sold some of those this year, and I'll throw a picture up here of that. But yeah. So when the Bred came out, they were like, I want to make it unique, go with the Chicago colors. So they made something that looks like a uniform. Now back in the day, the league would only let players wear white shoes, or majority white shoes, and everybody had to live by those rules. And if you didn't, you got a fine. So Nike committed to paying the fine for Jordan as long as he wore these in every game, or the high top version of these in every game, which he did. The commercial's ill.
On September 15th, Nike created a revolutionary new basketball shoe. On October 18th, the NBA threw them out of the game. Fortunately, the NBA can't stop you from wearing them. Air Jordans from Nike.
And there it is. This made people go bananas for the damn shoe. And it sold out a few times. Back then I believe the shoe was like $85 or $65, which was pretty high for a basketball shoe, but they bought it. Sold out a few times, and Jordan became synonymous and real. But the Jordan 2 came out, and that was like whatever, and then Jordan 3 saved it, and here we are today. Everybody wants Jordans. But this one, compared to the High, which I've seen a bunch of times out there, is very, 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 very clean. Very, very much like it. I like it a lot. I want. Wish I had a pair to compare it to, but this is clean. The leather's nice, and it's nicer than some of the Jordan 1 Highs that have come out, and for a decent price range, $115 US. So these are reselling right now for like $150, $160 in my size. So that's a good thing. They'll probably just go up from here if they don't retro the High at any time soon. But yeah, it's a nice shoe. Glad I got it. I think I'm gonna let it go because of course I don't wear Jordans. Quality wise, you can see here a couple of glue marks, but actually I could pull those off. If you kind of go in on the shoe a little bit, there's some glue marks right up in the front here. Nothing crazy. Got the Air Jordan on the tongue. Just a classic Air Jordan, and stiff, rock-like. You don't want to be walking around too long in the city with these. But it's a dope shoe nonetheless, man. If you could get it for $150, $160 right now, I suggest you do. If you're into rocking mids, if you think that's your thing, I give this one a 8 out of 10 when it comes to Jordans. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Air Jordan 1 mid, band, Bred, whatever you want to call it. Give me a shout, and we're going to have a whole bunch of good content coming up. This is just the start of it with the new backgrounds. Alright? Talk to y'all soon. Peace.